Hello friends, I hope you are all doing fine today. Today I am going to draw a girl wearing an evening gown. As you see, we can start drawing from the beginning. So let's start the drawing from the head. In the drawing, the girl, she's wearing a nice cap on her head. So we are outlining the cap first. This is the top part of the cap, half circle. You can draw another half circle like this. Then you can extend the line like this and extend it here like this. Alright, now we are going to draw the face of the girl. It looks like this as we see her from the back. So we can see like this. Then we are going to draw the neckline and we extend it to the shoulder. The shoulder is going to be like this, and we extend the line of the hands here. We are drawing another line for hands and extend the line of the hands up to this point. This is the finger. Alright, let's draw the left hand like this and extend it here. Another line parallel to the previous one for the hands and extend up to there. This position. Now we extend a curved line up to this and we can draw the line to the bottom part of the page. It ends here. Another line to the right side and we make it drawing like a bottle shape. The top part of the bottle looks like this and we put little wrinkled bottom part like this. Alright, so the top part of the gown looks like this. This is the tight part of the upper side of the body. Okay, then we draw a waistline and we put some ornamentation like this. Alright, let's draw a line like this. Now we are going to do the details of the drawing. The cap the girl is wearing on top, it has little shades. So we start the shading from the left side of the border. You can draw like this. Let's do the details on the top part. Also doing details here. Let's outline the neck. The drawing is becoming nice. Alright, upper part little bit shades, the left part little more shades, the bottom part little deeper shades. That's why we are putting more shades in this side, and the hatches we are putting on the drawings, it's like double A. So each one is the vertical to the previous one. Now let's put the shades here. This is the shades on the back side of the body. Alright, now let's do the details on the right hands. We draw the shades like this. Okay, so the hands are almost complete. Alright, now let's put lots of vertical lines like this. This is the special part or the specially designed part of the fashionable dress. So the clothes the designer used here is the special types of clothes, and making is also the special. Alright, so more shades to the border lines, and the shade is fading as we move forward to the middle point. Also we have deeper shades from the beginning, and the shade is fading as we move forward to the middle part. Alright, the waistline you can see this is dark, so let's put a dark shade in the waistline. And we can draw lots of vertical lines for the gown she is wearing for the bottom part. Lots of lines, you can see the wrinkles and the lines are asymmetric. This is the beauty of the drawing. All the asymmetric parts makes a nice combination and adds flavors to the beauty of the drawing. So stay tuned and watch the drawing in and follow all the steps. Also same types of shading we see from the upper part of this dress. Okay, so you do the shades like this. This is almost done. Please follow all the steps and watch all the video. Do not skip any parts, just in case you can miss any important things as we suggested in the drawing. So now we are going to put the colors. So pink color on the tops or the upper part of the gown. Let's put the pink color here. Okay, and we're going to put little maroon color after under that pink color. So it's a gown in which the cloths as we used, those has a dark and deep color. We're going to put the color uniformly all over the dresses, and the strokes of the pencil, as you see, it's like the same vertical lines or the same parallel lines to the previous one as we progress to complete the drawing. And we are going to move forward to the middle point as you see here in the drawing. So please follow the steps and do the practice as you see in the video. I hope you can do well and your drawings would be better than this one. Until then, you can do the practice and observe all the steps very patiently. Alright, so the coloring is almost done. Okay, let's put little deeper shade at the bottom part of the dress here, and we can put the orange color at the decoration of the waist part. The waistline has a orange decoration. All right, and the orange color of the cap. And the circles here, we can fill it up with a pink color to make a variable color apart from the surrounding. Alright, so the drawing is almost complete. This is going to be a nice drawing, as you can see here. Let's put a little shades here. Alright. So this is the drawing of a girl wearing a evening gown. I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel. Stay with us, stay tuned, and look up to the next video. We're going to draw more interesting videos in our next episodes. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.